Yeah, I need a lighter. Yeah, like I said, I'm running the animal pegs on the back and the front. Start again. There's Federal 4-piece. Pretty nice, got a nice fucking...
It's animal. Cut.
So I found my lighter. My name's Gino and this is my fucking bike check. So yeah, I'm currently running the Federal Washington frame. It's quite a nice frame, 20.75. It's got quite a short back end, 13.4. Front end I've got the Primo strand forks, they're quite steep, good for nozzers. I'm currently running the Animal 4-piece bars. I've got quite a nice bit of upsweep to them, really easy to manual. Spins are quite nice. So yeah, I'm currently running the Odyssey Twan bolts with the MDS sprocket, shadow chain and Odyssey pedals. I don't think I could think of a better setup than that. Currently running the Sabrosa Blood In Blood Out seat. My big sofa. Seem to land on my bollocks quite a lot, so it's quite good. Got the Colt Salvation stem. Looking to get a top load off, as I think it's quite low at the moment. Got the 20 Bike Co headset. Had it for about 3 years. Slowly starting to die. Currently running the Primo M4FL front hub, comes with the hub guards. It's pretty mint to be fair, spins well. It's quite a solid wheel. G-Sport birdcage rims front and back with animal pegs front and back. Yeah, it's not bad. Like I said, I've got the animal pegs on the back. I've got the United Direct tyres, they're pretty fucking shit. G-Sport ratchet hub, switchable left-hand drive and right-hand drive, and the birdcage rim on the back.
Hello. Fucking.